been so long since we had pizza because of this lockdown. Let me check if I have it on my recipe book. Found it. Cool. Hey, welcome back. So, if you haven't guessed by now, we are making a pizza dough. So, what you will need is 2 cups of whole-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of butter, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of yeast. The sugar is so the yeast can eat something for it to activate. So, and half a cup of lukewarm milk. What you're gonna do is take your whole-purpose flour and add it to your blender. Then, what you want to do is add your sugar to the milk and make that dissolve. In that time, you can add your salt and your butter to your blender. Now, once the sugar dissolves, you're gonna add your yeast. Dissolve, sugar, dissolve. I'm not gonna wait here for 2 hours making you dissolve. I'm awake. Finally, you're dissolved. We have to make you dissolve yeast so that my bread can rise. Otherwise, we're just gonna have yucky bread. Milk's still lukewarm. Now you have to dissolve quick. I'm done with this now. The next step is to blend this so that the salt, the whole-purpose flour, and the butter gets mixed together. Make sure you cover it, otherwise it will go booming around. Almost ready. Now, earlier you could have added 1 egg, but because I haven't added 1 egg, I added 1 cup of milk. Now, after you blend it up, you have to transfer it into a butter greased bowl, and you have to let it rise for at least 1 to 2 hours. I'm just gonna roll out the sides and then put a design on. Now I'm just using a wooden spoon and just making few marks. Now you can add your toppings. Put it in the oven to bake until the crust becomes golden. My pizza is ready. I'm gonna try and take it out. really, really hot. I'm really Ow, it's super heavy. No. That's hot. No. Hot. Don't get hot. Should I eat the Pringles or should I eat the pizza? Nah, I have so many of these already. Goodbye.